You just spent a lot of money on artificial grass and now it's melting. You might be noticing strange lines, circles, or burned patches in your turf. But before you blame the quality of the grass, here's what's actually causing it, and it's probably not what you think. The number one cause of turf burn isn't extreme heat, it's window reflection. Low E energy efficient windows can reflect sunlight like a magnifying glass, focusing it into a beam that can exceed 200 degrees and melt artificial turf. When sunlight hits these windows at the right angle, the glass concentrates the light into a powerful hotspot. That beam can melt turf, warp vinyl siding, and even damage patio furniture. And that's why homeowners see melted streaks, brown patches, and crop circle rings across their lawn. Those patterns are simply the path of reflected sunlight. To find the window damaging your artificial grass, stand in the melted area and look toward your home, or even a neighbor's home. The window creating the brightest glare or flash is usually the source of the hotspot. Replacing the turf won't solve the problem. Even high-end nylon turf will melt again if the reflection stays. You're not dealing with bad grass, you're dealing with concentrated heat from a reflective window. To stop turf from melting, you have to stop the reflection at the source, the window. That's exactly what Turf Guard window film is designed to do. Turf Guard window film is an easy-to-install, do-it-yourself solution that protects natural and artificial grass, as well as vinyl siding, by reducing damaging sun reflection from nearby windows. So visit windowfilmforturf.com to learn more.